Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and then run the first calibration. You want consistent camera settings, same shutter, aperture, and white balance, because tracking algorithms rely on stable input. Mount your camera or sensor securely and place a high-contrast target at the distance you'll track. Once done, run a quick calibration routine so the software learns scale and depth. This first pass prevents basic drift and gives you a baseline to compare later adjustments. Now you refine parameters to handle real motion and noise. Increase or decrease the detection threshold and search window while watching frame-by-frame results. Make one change at a time so you can roll back. Choose a motion model, constant velocity for steady subjects, acceleration for sudden moves, because the wrong model creates lag or overshoot. Enable multi-scale feature detection and an outlier filter like ransack. This reduces jumps from occlusion. Finish by locking your settings and conducting a full-length test to confirm stability over time. Watch for subtle drift and correct it by redoing calibration or adding passive markers to the object if necessary. If you see jitter, increase temporal smoothing slightly. If you lose the target, expand the search window or switch to a predictive model. One key troubleshooting tip: check for lighting flicker or rolling shutter, fixing that often resolves hard-to-find tracking errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.